I've always been so gullible in believing everything that people told me about cleaning products. You need ammonia to clean mirrors. You need a counter spray to disinfect. You need to mop with this soap or wash your clothes with that soap. But as I've learned over time, you can't believe everything you hear on TV or see on TikTok. Like many others, I tried the viral mopping recipe with the dish tab and the laundry detergent, but it left a dirty residue all over my floors. I saw another video of a lady who was putting fabric softener in her counter spray. So I tried that, and it left a residue all over my counters and made us all very itchy. So I researched and found a bunch of natural alternatives that worked even better than the other products and are super cheap. I love these e-cloths. Never again will I have to use Windex to clean my mirror. It comes with 2 cloths, one wet to clean and one dry to remove spots. You can also use magnets in your laundry instead of detergent. And you can try wool balls in your dryer. They work fabulous at getting rid of static cling and wrinkles. Baking soda has become one of my favorite products because there are so many uses. Besides baking, did you know that you can put baking soda in the fridge and it'll absorb all the stinky odors? And that goes for clothes as well. If you add a scoop of baking soda to your washer, it makes the water more alkaline, which helps to remove stains and odors. I also found out that baking soda is a great cleaner for all your appliances. You can also add a little baking soda to your soaking water for your fruits and your vegetables. It helps to enhance the water so it removes a lot of pesticides and unwanted dirt. Just make sure you let it soak for at least 15 minutes, rinse, and then dry thoroughly. Power paste has become one of my favorites. I love it in the shower, especially on the glass doors. It's the best thing I found for removing spots. Citric acid is one of my newest finds. It worked wonders on my toilet. You can also use it in your washing machine as a fabric softener and in your dishwasher to remove spots. Just mix a little bit with water. Having the proper tools also allows you to skip the chemicals altogether. For instance, use a hairdryer to remove stickers instead of having to use Goo Gone. And lately, my favorite thing is making my own counter sprays. I'm obsessed. It's so cheap. I like to take some hot water, add a few drops of dish liquid, and then a few drops of essential oil. It cleans great, it smells good, and I can use it on just about every surface.